If you prefer a data-based buying guide, then you are in the right place. Welcome to our channel. We are techies, not salesmen. No flashy words or biased opinions. We made this list based on the big data collected from customers, manufacturers, as well as our data providers. Thanks to our exclusive unsupervised learning AI system, analyzing and comparing all these products couldn't be more accurate or efficient. We list the best buy products and their competitive advantages. This list includes options for every type of consumer. If you want more information and the updated prices on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below and feel free to subscribe. Okay, now let's start our list.
I change the cutting system cassette every 18 months or sooner. And I replace the cleaning center refill about once a month to maintain 100% of my shaver's performance. From Braun.
The Remington Shortcut Clipper Pro Haircut Kit has everything you need for a quality haircut at home. The innovative clipper features a curved stainless steel blade, and the kit includes 9 length adjustable combs ranging from 1/16 of an inch to 5/8, so you can do fades and other detailed styles. The clipper fits comfortably into your hand to give you a sure grip while cutting. For best results, cut against the grain of your hair growth, from the front to the top of your head and from the neck to the top. Move the clipper slowly to reduce the chances of pulling hair. The curved blade follows the shape of your head for an even cut that's as close as you want it to be. And the blade is wide, so it cuts large portions of hair with every pass and gets the job done fast. It's easy to maneuver around your ears and on the back of your head as well. To trim around your neckline and sideburns, just pop off the length comb and use the flat edge of the blade. Turn the clipper over so the blade can get closer to the skin for the clean results you've been looking for. The clipper is completely waterproof, so you can clean it easily under running water after each use. Just turn on the blades and the water will dislodge any trimmed hairs. Waterproof also means you can trim up in the shower or while your hair is still wet. For a more thorough cleaning, remove the blade assembly and wash it off separately. After each wash, apply a small amount of the included blade oil and turn on the clipper to evenly distribute the oil. This will keep the clipper working at peak performance through every haircut. Save time and money on haircuts with the Shortcut Clipper Pro Haircut Kit from Remington. How the world gets ready.
Wahl has created the new standard of home haircutting with the Elite Pro high-performance haircutting kit. The Elite Pro is built with our finest blades, best guide combs, and most powerful motor. The new self-sharpening precision ground blades cut all types of hair 40% faster than our standard blades and stay sharper longer for smooth, snag-free haircuts. This kit also includes a full set of easy, mistake-free guide combs that can be stored in the handy nylon storage bag and come with stainless steel attachment clips that securely fasten to the clipper, large ID nameplates for easy-to-see comb size identification, and are made with premium-grade material that is 70% stronger than our standard guide combs. The new durable, long-lasting motor has 15% more power than Wahl's Power Drive motor and comes with a lifetime warranty. The Elite Pro also features an industrial-grade power cord and comes with a handle storage case, barber shears with protective blade guard, large styling comb, cord wrap, barber cape, and other accessories that help give you a premium haircut at home. Pick up your Elite Pro high-performance haircutting kit today. Wahl, the brand used by professionals since 1990.